Hey guys, so it's been a busy month for me. I also have an excavator. I know I haven't really shown much of the dump truck, but excavator. So you have to forgive me, I got a little bit started on this before filming it because I was a little anxious to get going on it. It's a either a late 80s, early 90s komatsu pc60. Overall, pretty happy with it. Got a good deal on it. But it does not run. Original owner thinks it has blow-by. So, might have to do an engine rebuild on this, not entirely sure. But first thing I want to do is see if I can try to get it started. Yesterday I didn't show this, but I got the center console pulled apart because the seller didn't have the key to it. So I just got it pulled apart enough that I can jump it apart, jumped it out, got power on, got that kind of stuff, but I did not get it to crank. So what I want to do today is I want to take the counterweight off so I can access the engine. And that's pretty much all I'm doing today. So come with me. So here I am on top of the unit. There's the two attachment points. So I'm going to do a chain from the hook on top of this bucket, or maybe just over with this. Chain down to these two lifting points. Pull up. Sorry, these two lifting points. Pull up. Release the bolts on the bottom and see what that gets us. Cool. Okay, got the starter inside, got a brush, got some paper towels. Gonna make a little bit of a mess, clean this thing up a little bit. Some soapy water on there. Make it just a little bit more livable. Although all in all, it's not really isn't too bad. Oops, careful. Good enough. Just a little cleanup. Okay. So it looks like it's a gear reduction starter. Okay. I think I take I think I can take this pin out. So now, gonna take off the outlet side. Okay. So now, take this wire. Okay. These are remarkably clean looking insides. A little bit of corrosion on the... that would have been the battery side. Right? Yeah, battery side. Okay. So I'm gonna grab some jumper cables, just some cheapo ones. Now, Okay, so got some jump cables to a battery. It's only 12 volts because I only have one, but this should okay, so I'm applying power and nothing's moving. So, we got a bad solenoid. So, I'm going to just try to spin over the motor while I'm flipping this there. Okay. Starter works great. Okay, it's just the solenoid. Okay. So let's get you guys a little closer. So let's pull apart this. Ah, there's a lot of corrosion on that bolt, which to me, when I bought this machine, the door above the motor was open, so it had been getting rained on for a while. So, there's a very good chance that that water got in this starter. Oh yeah, that's actually just wet. You can just see water in there. So, okay. Huh. That's crazy to me. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. This looked all shiny, but if you look at this, it definitely has had water. So, okay. Got a part number here. Don't recognize it though, or it's not really readable. So, okay. We got a little stir clip, Jesus clip, whatever. Okay. You're not going to be able to see this, but oh, here, let me back you up a little. Got that just in the vise. Okay. Yeah. I'm not. Oops, sorry. I'm not sure if there's a way to open this, but it's definitely water damaged. You can see how much corrosion's on this. So I think I'm just going to order a new one of these. So because I'm going to order a new one, I'm going to see if I can just rip this off. Yeah. So, I'm ordering a new one of these, and let's get our starter up and running. And then, once the starter's up and running, sorry about that, guys. Once the starter's up and running, we can get it back in here and try to start it up. Cool. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. So, thanks for coming along. Thanks for having fun with me, as always, and stay safe. Have a good day.